Chicken Tikka Recipe. Welcome to Chef Mariam's website, where you'll find a wealth of information on one of the most popular dishes in Middle Eastern cuisine, chicken tikka. As a highly regarded chef, Mariam has a deep love and appreciation for the flavors, ingredients, and techniques that make this dish so special. One of the things that set Mariam apart from other chefs is her focus on using the highest quality ingredients in all of her dishes. For her chicken tikka recipe, she sources the freshest chicken and uses a blend of carefully selected spices to infuse each bite with a bold, authentic flavor. Another aspect of Mariam's cooking style that sets her apart is her commitment to tradition. She is dedicated to preserving the rich cultural heritage of Middle Eastern cuisine and ensuring that each dish she creates is true to its roots. Mariam also takes great care to present her dishes beautifully, making sure that each plate is not only delicious but also visually appealing. This is especially important for dishes like chicken tikka, which are often served as a main course and are meant to be shared with friends and family. Overall, Chef Mariam's chicken tikka is a delicious and authentic representation of Middle Eastern cuisine. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or a beginner cook, this dish is sure to satisfy your cravings and introduce you to the rich flavors and traditions of this vibrant culinary tradition. So why not give Chef Mariam's recipe a try and taste the difference for yourself? Introduction. 1. Chicken tikka is a popular dish in Middle Eastern cuisine. 2. Chef Mariam is well known for her expertise in creating authentic versions of traditional dishes. 3. She sources only the freshest ingredients and uses a blend of carefully selected spices to infuse her chicken tikka with bold flavor. 4. Mariam is dedicated to preserving the cultural heritage of Middle Eastern cuisine and presenting each dish beautifully. 5. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or a beginner cook, Chef Mariam's chicken tikka is sure to satisfy your cravings and introduce you to the rich flavors and traditions of this vibrant culinary tradition. Welcome to Chef Mariam's kitchen, where we'll be sharing a mouth-watering recipe for chicken tikka. This dish is one of the most popular in Middle Eastern cuisine and is sure to be a hit with your friends and family. With Chef Mariam's guidance, you'll learn how to create a delicious and authentic version of this classic dish that is bursting with flavor and tradition. Ingredients. 1. 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken bosom, cut into 2-inch pieces. 2. 1 cup plain yogurt. 3. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 4. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 5. 1-inch piece of ginger, grated. 6. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 7. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 8. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 9. 1 teaspoon paprika. 10. 1 teaspoon turmeric. 11. 1 teaspoon salt. 12. Half a teaspoon cayenne pepper. 13. 1/4 cup fresh cilantro, chopped. 14. 1/4 cup fresh mint, chopped. Instructions. 1. In a large bowl, whisk together the yogurt, lemon juice, garlic, ginger, cumin, coriander, garam masala, paprika, turmeric, salt, and cayenne pepper. 2. Add the chicken parts to the bowl and blend until they are very much covered in the marinade. 3. Cover the bowl and let the chicken marinate in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or up to overnight. 4. Preheat your grill or oven broiler to high heat. 5. Skewer the chicken pieces and place them on the grill or broiler pan. 5. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes on each side, or until the chicken is cooked through and charred in spots. 6. Remove the chicken from the skewers and sprinkle with the chopped cilantro and mint. 6. Serve immediately with rice, naan, or your favorite side dish. 7. Chef Mariam's chicken tikka is a delicious and authentic representation of Middle Eastern cuisine. 7. With its bold, spicy flavors and tender, juicy chicken, it's sure to be a crowd pleaser at your next dinner party or family gathering. 7. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out in the kitchen, this recipe is easy to follow and will help you create a delicious and memorable meal in no time. At Chef Mariam's, we're passionate about food and are dedicated to sharing our love of great cooking with you. Whether you're looking for recipes, tips, or inspiration for your next kitchen adventure, we're here to help. So why not try Chef Mariam's chicken tikka today and taste the difference for yourself? Chef Mariam's special information. 1. Chef Mariam is a highly skilled and experienced chef with a passion for creating delicious and authentic Middle Eastern dishes. 1. With her extensive knowledge of traditional cooking methods and ingredients, she has honed her craft to become one of the most sought-after chefs in the industry. 2. In her kitchen, Chef Mariam places a strong emphasis on using high-quality, fresh ingredients to create truly mouth-watering dishes. 2. Her chicken tikka recipe is a perfect example of her culinary prowess, showcasing her ability to blend bold spices and flavors to create a dish that is both delicious and healthy. 3. Beyond her culinary skills, Chef Mariam is also known for her warm and welcoming personality. 4. Whether she is teaching a cooking class or working in her kitchen, she always puts her heart and soul into her work, striving to provide the best possible experience for her guests and customers. 4. If you're looking for a chef who is passionate about food and dedicated to sharing her love of great cooking, look no further than Chef Mariam. 4. Whether you're looking for a delicious meal or a hands-on cooking experience, Chef Mariam's kitchen is the perfect place to indulge your love of food and learn from one of the best in the business.